welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love a recipe video like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious mint, lavender and lemon balm tea. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious mint, lavender and lemon balm tea. Now this recipe is really easy to do and I love a herbal tea. I know there are a lot of people out there who aren't so keen, but I really enjoy herbal teas. I've been growing these herbs in my garden this summer, and during the summer I decided to throw them into a cup and add hot water and see how they tasted, and the results were amazing. So I'm going to be having the last of them today, and while I was making this tea I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious mint, lavender and lemon balm tea. For this recipe I have been out into my garden and I have picked some lavender. So I've just picked 2 stalks with the flowers on. So I'm just going to put those into a tea strainer, and then I've also picked my lemon balm as well. So I've got about 3 leaves of lemon balm, and then I just picked a small piece of mint as well, and I'm just going to add that into the tea strainer. And I've already boiled my kettle, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour that over the tea strainer, and I'm going to let this sit and brew for about 5 minutes. So my tea has been brewing for a good 5 minutes. What I like to do is actually leave the tea strainer in. I don't mind it getting stronger and stronger, to be honest. It smells so good. I wish I had smell-o-vision on YouTube. Trust me, you would love it. I know there are a lot of people, as I mentioned in the intro, that don't really like herbal tea. If you're one of those people but you want to try it, then I would suggest that you just add a bit of honey. But I would wait for the tea to cool down before you add it, because when you add honey to hot, if it gets too hot, honey will turn to sugar basically. So yes, I'm off to enjoy this now. That's how you make my delicious mint, lavender and lemon balm tea, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be having a little sit down and a relax with this drink now, and I'm really looking forward to it. It smells so good. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon.